but at the end of the day, it's going to require a collaborative effort across all of the organizational components that maintain identity. Well, if you think about it, something like IAM, even though it may sit in cybersecurity or within IT or different departments, sometimes under governance and risk departments, it's still a core business function that is going to touch all aspects of the business. So from an organizational standpoint, a particular organization may have a department that leads or runs point on making sure that IAM is recovered. It may be something in the business around business continuity. It may be in IT, part of their DR plans. It may be under cybersecurity as part of their DR planning. But at the end of the day, it's going to require a collaborative effort across all of the organizational components that maintain identity.
Identity, especially when moving to SaaS, has replaced actually the network as being the only and first place that centralizes the distributed IT. And that means that it becomes an infrastructure. Everything relies on top of that. Even devices, even security networks, all rely on the identity layer. As an infrastructure, we need to think about it differently. You need to think about it not as an additional software or an IT software, but as a critical infrastructure software. My guess is that for every company, although it might be some part of it managed by the security and some part by the IT, will have a layer of risk management or business continuity management that will need to take care of that infrastructure as part of overall the business continuity program.